This is project 11. Hopefully I can get it done in one part. I don't know. This is just a PowerPoint review. I just finished making the screen capture video for the research and presentation. And so I kind of went over some of this, but not all of it. There are some of you may not be able to see this picture, but the first sheet included a graph with the title and text describing the graph in more detail. And this one right here is the next one is you will put in a organization chart with the name of your company. You have to design for this particular project a letterhead type of thing. And here I have 3 levels, not counting the assistant two. 1 level, 3 people working for that person, and then maybe 2 people working for one of those, or 3 people, or whatever. And then the third one is an advertisement for your company in PowerPoint. So the hardest thing probably is this part right here, is designing this. And so on all the sheets I want the same thing. So I'm going to go to PowerPoint now. And I'm going to go to View, Master, Slide Master right here. Okay, and I don't want to go to the very first one. I want to go to this one down here, this second slide right here. And for example, I want the name of my company to be up here, so I'm going to get rid of this. And you could pick a different view of this. You could pick just a plain sheet if you wanted to, but I'm just going to get rid of this. And I'm going to insert, I'm going to use the insert word art, and I'm going to design a company logo. And on that one, I can do text effects, and I can transform that to something else. You can see all the different ways that you can do it here. Maybe I'll have a little rise up looking thing here. Okay, and since I raised black Arabians, maybe I'll choose something else here. Well, all it did is add a shadow. Text fill. Okay, that didn't do much for that, did it? And you can always tilt it even more if you want to. There's many different things you can do. I'm going to hit undo because it's already tilted. And I'm going to make that smaller proportionately here, and I didn't do it proportionately. Undo. Proportionately is usually the corner. But I need a little taller. Right, and I'm going to move that up in the corner. I want that on every slide. But I also need a text box, so I'm going to insert a text box. And I'm going to put, and you don't need to have, and make it very small. You don't need a big size here. I'm going to use Arial Narrow. That's the narrowest one. And you can have it very small. Okay. And maybe the website. Okay, now what about a picture? Usually your company logo will have a picture. So once again, we're going to Google Images. And we don't need a very big one, so we're just going to go to Images, and we're going to go to Black Arabian Horses. All right, and I will just pick this one right here, and that size is fine. So I'm going to go to Save Picture As, and I'm going to go to the desktop, and I'm going to call it RRA